Guys, I welcome you today to Smart Money AI. If you are that lucky to come across this video, trust me, count yourself as being among the lucky ones in this month, because I'm gonna reveal a strategy, a very reliable with an 86% accuracy rate strategy that you'll be using to make at least 10, 20, $100 a day at the comfort of your home. Trust me, guys, you're gonna love this. Please, if this is the first video you are coming across, kindly know that we've come a long way. You will need a Deriv account for this. You can check the videos or in the description section. I have a link and also a tutorial video. It's very tricky on how to create a Deriv account, so you have to follow the steps well. After that, you have to link both your demo and then your real account to MT5. I also have a video on that. You also learn how to fund your Deriv account. I have a video on that. Make you go through my channel or check in the description section. I have the links and also the captions there, so you just have to follow. And then this is the final part. I think after this video, we will only be sharing our techniques, our thoughts, what we think, blah 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 blah, because after this video all we are going to do is money. So let me, sorry for this word, but let me take everyone watching this video as a newbie. I'm starting from the newbie point of view. Once you open your MT5, make sure you've linked your Deriv accounts, and then first click here, click on this. Sometimes you open and it may not be on VIX 75, so here you select volatility 75 index, popularly known as VIX 75, right? Okay, let me show you this. This thing is where you click to either buy or sell, right? You click on this as well to set your lot size. Remember, if your capital is around $5 to $50, set your lot size to 0.001. That's the smallest lot size. From 50 to 100, I advise you set it to 0.01. From 100 to 1000, you can use something like 0.1 or even any of your choice. But this, I'm saying this based on my personal risk management. Remember, in trading you need proper risk management, so that's it for this first button. Okay, we also have this where you click to set your to know the levels of where you want to set your stop loss and others. After that, look at this. This is the hour time frame, right? I will show you how to use it. This is where you do the analysis, but we actually not going to be using this that much. And this is where you click to add indicators. That's where we are about to set our strategy. And this is the menu button, right? So you click here to switch between accounts. When you click on manage accounts, and you can see I have so many accounts here. I have an FBS. So if you want to trade with FBS or this particular account, if I want to trade with this, I'll just click on it and then sign in. So always the account on top is what you are trading with. So I'm trading with Deriv demo for now, right? Okay, so let's go back to our charts. Now let's set our strategy. Okay, let me show you some other stuffs here. We have the quotes. We are actually not going to be using it because we are only going to trade volatility. Please trade only this. It works best with the strategy I'm about to show you. We have the charts. You see, I'm on the chart, and that's why we are seeing this. We have trade. This where you click, and then if you have an active trade ongoing, you see it here. Okay, let me place a trade and you see. Let me, okay, this okay, so let me click on sell. Okay, it's done. Remember, size is at 0.9. This just a demo account, right? So let me click here and you see. I hope you can see it. So if it's blue like this, it means you are making profit. If it's in red, it means you are making a loss. Now someone will be asking, how can I close my trade? You just look at something here. To close a trade, you just tap anywhere here and then swipe it to this direction, right? Like this. And you see this menu. Immediately this menu appears. Just click on this, right? To close the trade. And the trade has been closed. I hope you've seen it. Let me place another trade and show you something. Let me place another sell. Okay. So this is how you set your stop loss. You just do the same thing, and this time you click on this to set both your stop loss and then your take profit. Stop loss is when you want to opt out of the market if you are losing, and take profit is where you want to where you actually want to take profit if the market goes in your favor. So that's one of the beautiful things about trading. So you can just input your figures here, and sorry, let me set a stop loss, take profit 345. Okay, let me set a stop loss like this. So right after that, 347. Oh, sorry, 345, like that. And then I hope you are seeing it, right? So right after you are done setting your stop loss, you click on modify, right? You just click on this and it will be modified, right? So as you can see, I'm in a massive loss, but I'm only using this to teach you, right? So forget about it. And it's a demo account. You are not going to be doing this. You can also click on history here, and this will load all your these things, your trades. I actually disconnected and reconnected this account yesterday, so it's not showing, but later in the day, all my history. Yesterday I back tested this strategy. Now let's go to our chart. This is the most important part, so stay tuned. For this strategy I'm about to show you, first you click on this button. You click on this, right? That's something like N or dollars. You just click on it, and then on the main chart, click here, click on the F plus, right? Okay, click on the F plus, and then go and look for RSI. That is relative strength index, right? You just look for this, right? And you are going to do this. Set the period to 200. Apply to close. Style is 2 pixels, and make sure here is pure white, the color. Click on it and select white, pure white. If you are lucky, it will automatically be on white. Now you come to the level, just click on it. You will see this page. Once you come here, you won't be seeing this 50 here. It will be something like this. Your own will be something like this. So you can click on this plus sign, and then you get another option. I hope you get it right. So here you enter your 50, and 50 is for TP. 10 is for buy, 90 is for sell, and then 50 is for TP. The style is 1 pixel and the color is black. Okay, let me make this 2 pixel. You can also make it 2 pixel. There's no case here. So you just go back and then you click on done, right? Okay, done, right? Now look at something here. Don't click at the top F plus again, but rather click on this F plus, right? Click on it and then go search for MACD, right? Search for MACD, this MACD, right? Click on it, it will load, right? And make sure you do this. Here should be 12:29. Sometimes you see it will be set already, but go through it, and what you don't have, do it, right? Make sure you don't make any mistake. 1, set here to 9, apply to close. You come to the styles. Main is 1 pixel and the color, choose black. Signal is 4 pixel. Set it and the color, choose red color for it, right? Choose red color. So when you are done, just click on this done at the top here. Click on this done. Now click on the same F plus at the window 1 again, and this time around select moving average, right? Select moving average. Here too, set your period to 3, shift to 0, method exponential, and apply to previous indicators data. We want to put it on the one we already did, right? So follow the steps well, don't miss any point, right? Okay, so the style, choose 4 pixel and the color, set it at, or set it to blue. Once you are done inputting all this, click on done, right? And now go back. I hope you are seeing what I'm seeing, right? Guys, trust me, this is the best strategy. Now let me show you how you are going to use this for you to profit well, right? For you to profit well. Now let me close this trade, right? Let me close it and then we go to the chart. Now look at something here. I hope you are seeing this, right? Are you seeing this? Whenever, okay, let me show you here. We have the 10 here. Forget about the 50 and also the 90 here, right? The moment this moving something, look at this moving something. The moment this guy touches 90, it means you should sell. It means you should do what? Sell. So look at something here. So here it touched 90. So all you have to do is to what? Click on sell. And look at something here. Once it touched the 90 here, look at how it dropped. So look at the profit you would have made, right? So, oh, sorry, I actually have a call, but okay, I'm not going to answer. After the video, I'll call the person, right? So you click on your sell and then you take your profit somewhere here. Always don't be greedy. Target the immediate low, right? So this is on the higher time frame. That's the 4-hour time frame. We are not going to be using that because we want to be trading on a daily basis. In our group, I'll also teach into details. So this is how you are going to use this strategy, right? Okay, so once it touches 10, once this guy touches 10, it means you should buy. The market is ready to buy. But for you not to be deceived, do it this way. Once it touches 10, look at the blue and red lines, right? Look at something here. When it was, oh my god, what's happening? Okay, look at something here. Here, when red was on top and blue was at the bottom, it was selling, it was coming down, right? So we wait for it to reach here, touch the 10. You just don't buy, maybe it's a fakey. Wait for a crossover for the blue line to cross the red line, and then you enter the market, you buy. And if you have bought here, look at something here. If you bought here, this was where the crossover happened, right? I think somewhere here, and you would have ride this market to this place. You see, that's why I said you don't have to always target the top here. Always opt out of the market whenever you are in profit. That's one principle of trading. Always make sure you take profit. I hope I'm making much sense, right? Always make sure you take profit, right? And look at something here too. Once it has already touched this, and then there's a crossover, the red is now on top. You see, it was going up and blue was on top. So once there's a crossover, it means this market is ready to sell. So once it cross, you sell and then wait for it to come down. Let me show you. So sometimes there will be chaos in the market. Okay, another one here. You see here, it's touched 10. So if you bought, you see, you could have rode this market to the top here, and that's massive profit. So with this is the most reliable strategy I've ever come across, guys. So it requires patience and it requires risk management. Don't ever buy here. Don't ever buy here, though it will cross, but it may be a fakey. It can be a fake something. Wait for it to touch our targeted spots. That's here and there. Once it touch here, you sell. Once it touch at the 10, you buy. I hope I'm making much sense. So as a day trader or someone who is going to target to be making money on a daily basis, this is what you do. You just have to click on the 4-hour time frame here, the hour time frame, and then you switch to, I normally use either 15, 5 or 1 minute, right? Okay, so let's look at the 5 minutes here. I hope you can see what's happening here. So this is the reason why we sold on the 4-hour time frame, but we were in loss. As you can see on your 5 minute time frame, there's a crossover, meaning the market is about to buy. There has been a crossover, but you don't buy here. You go to the lower time frame to confirm for it to also give you a buy signal. You see, when you come here, it's selling, but on the 5 minutes, it's what? Buying. So you wait for this 1 minute time frame to come down to give you the edge to buy, and then you enter the market and you see you will be riding in profit. So on the 1 minute you can also use the 1 minute time frame, but always make sure you make reference on the higher time frame so you don't mess things up. Let's say if you want to sell in 1 minute time frame, and on the 5 minutes it has given you a buy signal, it means you can enter, right? You can sell just like I've done, but don't stay in the market for a longer time. Once you make you've made some profit like this, just close the trade and opt out. I hope you saw that. So always make sure you make reference to the higher time frame, and when you make your research on the higher time frame, come to the lower time frame to pick a trade. So if we are to be using the 5 minute time frame, since it's giving us a buy signal or order, we'll wait for the 1 minute to also give us same edge or same signal to buy, and then we'll ride along and you'll see everything will be in profit. Make sure you join my Telegram community and also my WhatsApp platform so that I can be guiding you. But this is the real strategy. When you sell at the top, it comes down, you opt out, you make your profit. When you sell at the bottom, when you buy at the button, it goes out, you sell, you make your profit. And that's it, guys. This is a reliable strategy, and trust me, your daily profit is assured. I'm not joking, I'm not going to lie you. If you also know anything about price action or anything of that sort, you can be using it, right? If your chart is like this, just eh, put your two fingers and then expand it. You see, you can actually expand it, but I prefer always using this one, right? Once it touches, you sell. Once it goes down, you buy. Thank you very much. This is Smart Money AI. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like the video, comment, also try to share so others out there will also benefit from the goodies we have here. Make money online always. Don't waste your bundle. We are in a contemporary era. We are in a contemporary world. Be your own boss. See you another time. Bye bye.